Hi there guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been so long since I last posted. I'm struggling to get some content out because the weather is being a pain in the ass and the stuff I need to do I'm sort of can't really do because I've got an MOT due in a few days. So I kind of want to get that all over and done with, and that's a whole problem in its own right. So, and I've been sort of thinking about what to do about my content, and I've been watching quite a few. I always watch YouTube. I'm subscribed to a fair few people and I watch them consistently, and quite a lot of them do sort of like daily vlogs really, and they sort of show what they do and why they're doing it. And I kind of thought I'm going to do something similar. It's not going to be daily vlogs, I'm not going to be posting daily, but I'm going to kind of put a video together of stuff I actually get up to. Because some of the stuff I get up to is a bit random and weird and out there, and why not film it, make a video out of it. I do get quite a lot of messages from quite a few of you saying how much you enjoy the content, so why not just put a bit more out there, see how you guys like. If you don't like it, I won't do it, so please put that down below. If you don't like it, I will stop. But yeah, let's try this for a little idea. Today's currently Wednesday, I think. I have no idea actually. Yeah, today is Wednesday. On Monday, the Audi went for its MOT and failed. Didn't fail on a lot. I don't know where the fail sheet is actually. Front number plate, that's because it's 3/4 size and stuck on the side of the bumper. That's not a problem, we got the original one. Rear number plate bulb, not a problem. That was just bad connection, that's back in. There was someone else petty as well. Windscreen wiper jets, they weren't aiming properly. That took seconds to do, it's not a problem. But the main ones is the wishbone bushing had gone. Now I've replaced pretty much every arm and everything on the front of that Audi. The steering rack went and I just replaced everything. Ball joints, the lot. And there's one bushing that goes just in there. And it's a press bushing. Everything else is a bolt-on one. That one is, I've managed to get it out. Absolute pain in the ass to get it back in. So luckily, there's a garage just down the road and I'm quite friendly with them down there, and I phoned them up and asked them if they could press the bushing in for me because I cannot do it. So I'm going to go down there and get that done, and then we can get it back onto the Audi. But as you can see, it's absolutely pissing down. But the wishbone's completely off, connects there, there, and obviously the ball joint there. That bushing there is absolutely destroyed. So I've managed to get it out. It wasn't too much of a problem, but I cannot get it back in with a C-clamp. I don't have a press. I was using C-clamps and yeah, that wasn't working. So I'm going to go take it down there. They can get that in. I can get that lot all put back together again. And on the other side, the sort of gator thing there, it's popped off on the other side. I literally just need to put a zip tie on it and it's done. And then I can get that down for its retest. And then we can get this MOT'd. That has its MOT on Friday, so yeah, got a bit to do with that. I've got a decat exhaust. That's another video, we'll leave that one. But I'm gonna go down the garage, I'm gonna get that done. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and get that all bolted back on. And then yeah, lie on this lovely wet floor. So I'm gonna go get that done. I'll see if I can get some footage while I'm down there. We'll see what happens. And I'll see you when I get back. Well, that actually didn't take too long, fair play. Smashed it in quite quick, but there is the bushing that I was talking about. It needs to be pressed in, and I don't have a press to do it. They managed to get that in nice and easy, so thank you very much to them. So I just need to fit that now, get it all back together again, and then we can go get this retested, and then there's one less problem. Focus on getting this ready for Friday, because yeah, we'll get into that in a bit. There's a few bits I want to get done to this because it ain't gonna pass as it sits now. So I'm gonna chuck this in and you're gonna watch. Obviously I don't know how much of this you can see, so sorry if it is poor footage. And yep, that is a torque wrench I'm using as a breaker bar. My breaker bar broke, so needs must. And then that. Hopefully you can see this, but There's that all tight, they're tight. About to tighten them up, and that right there, that's for the headlights. Connects to this up here. But I took it off so I could obviously press that bushing in, and I put it in back to front. Yay! So I'm gonna get that done, get the last few bolts tightened up, and I get back to you once I've done that. Well, I'm not too sure how much of that I bothered to film, but everything's back in. Wishbone is how it is. Everything is all nice and tight. Happy days. One of those bolts was actually a fail because I didn't actually do it all the way up, so it's slightly out. That's now not a problem. So I now need to get the wheel put on, front end put back on, and then on the other side get that gator thing, I can't remember what it's called, get that slam back on. In case I seem like I haven't got any energy, I have been up since 3 o'clock this morning to go to work, so I am running on empty. Lots of caffeine seems to be working. So yeah, let's try and get this lot back together again. Wheel back on. Boom. Well, like an absolute melon, I didn't press record, but that's that all done. Off the floor, off the jack stand, ready for, I'm out of breath, ready for me to get under the other side. I need to get it off the driveway, under the other side, get that gator done, get that bumper back on. Project Audi is done for the day, I think. I might have to put that number plate on the front actually, but that's that done, so I'm quite happy with that. I think I might show you me getting up on those drive-on ramps. Thank you, Tom, for letting me borrow them. You will get them back eventually. Way too wet for that, so I'm just going to jack it up, get underneath it, and I do need to refill the windscreen washer fluid. And then this thing can go back for its retest, get 12 months MOT, problem solved. So yeah, problem Audi. Well, that bushing on the other side that I've just done, that's the other half of it. I mean, that come out in bits. That's what I had to get replaced. Awesome. So that's done, and this is what I was telling you about. It's actually off the steering arm. That's not doing anything it should. So zip tie that on properly. I don't know what the hell that is, but zip tie that on properly and put the wheel back on, put the bumper back on, diddly done. So trying to get it done quite quick because this weather is disgusting and I'm lying on a wet floor. So happy days, it goes on. Well, I thought I'd leave you guys inside the van because as you can see it's chucking it down with rain and I fell over a bumper. But all I was doing here was just chucking a bumper on. It's nothing too interesting. But as you'll see in a sec, I forgot I actually needed to put the number plate on. So I put all the effort at putting the fog lights in, and there we go, there's the number plate. So I had to take it all back off again to fit the number plate, which turns out that was only on for about half an hour. As soon as I finished with the MOT, even the MOT has pulled it off. Well, that absolutely sucked. It absolutely chucked it down, but that's now done. I can rebook that in for its MOT. In fact, I did see, and I'll show you. Van's leaking oil. Obviously looks a lot worse because the ground's wet. But anyway, I'm going to go in, get that booked in for its retest. Probably see you down the garage because I'm going to go get myself dry and have a cup of tea because life. Just like that, it's going down for its retest. I mean, it's literally at the end of this road, so it's not too far to go. Hopefully that's enough. I have noticed there was a knocking coming from the passenger side. Turns out it's probably that bushing because it's now shut up. So yeah, wish us luck. Let's get this retest done. We can focus on getting Big Red through its MOT. Let's get this done. Oh, there we go, all MOT'd, passed. That's now done for 12 months, which is ideal. So now we just need to focus on the van. I'm not doing it now. Been up since 3. Can't be asked. Just want to chill. Have a nice cup of tea. Also got this, just cover my address. Got this from Auto Style. And I already know what it is. But let's see if I can open it up for you while we're here. And we've got their sticker. Actually, quite like that. Nice. Probably can't pick it up on the camera, but that is actually shiny gold. That's going up on the windscreen. Currently, they've got a skateboard deck, and what they're doing is putting everybody's sticker on them. And if you send them a sticker, they'll send you a sticker. To be honest, I've completely forgot that I actually need to send them my sticker. So that'll be going in the post for them tomorrow. But if you guys are interested, go over to their Instagram, and if you've got a cool sticker and want one of theirs, add to their skateboard deck, and hopefully you'll see my sticker on there very, very soon. I actually heard about this from Tom off Speed and Tube. You guys have probably all seen him. He's the one with a race van. Amazing channel, go subscribe. But he's got his sticker on there, and I asked him about it. I went and told them, and yeah, nice sticker. I'll definitely get them theirs. Can't get my words out. Definitely get them theirs in the post tomorrow. I'm going to go and drink this tea, and the kids will be back soon, and enjoy the rest of the day. Probably sit on the sofa and have a nap, if I'm going to be honest, but never mind. But the main thing is, that's now got to pass. 12 months of not having to worry about dicking about in the rain with that thing. Now we've just got to play silly buggers with a van. So thank you very much for watching this. If you like this kind of video, let me know. Put it down in that comment section below. I'll try and get a few more done. Maybe try and get 1 or 2 done a week. See what we can get done. But thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, guys.